G'day guys, I'm Greg. How are you? I thought I'd do this video from the other side of the camera for a change. See how we go. If you like this style, I'm planning to do a lot more of them, so you can look forward to that. If you don't like it, well, you will. I decided to do something a bit different. So everyone does haul videos. I thought I'd try and do a slight twist on it and just say how I got a couple of the sets I've bought recently at a really, well, what I consider to be a really good price. What do I mean by that? Well, take for example a couple of sets I'm going to show you in a second. I got them for 40% off the RRP just through eBay, using a couple of techniques that I've actually used a couple of times now, which have worked quite well. So quite often you get those vouchers from eBay saying here's 20% off Lego or 20% off toys, but you've got to find the retailers that do it. Now, what I've realised is most retailers, at least one of them will have a sale on, and a lot of the big department stores slash chains, especially here in Australia, looking at Myer in this particular case as my example, will sell their main stock that they've got excess of through eBay. And quite often they'll put a discount on that. A really good example of that is at the moment you can buy the Assembly Square set for 20% off. Actually, it's 25% off on their eBay store, and then eBay has another voucher on top of that, which gives you 20% off that, which works out bringing it down to about 40% off the RRP, which is brilliant in my mind. So you've got to keep an eye out for those deals. So what I've found is keeping an eye on those big stores. They will generally have sales, and if you're lucky and if you're patient, you can time the sale with a voucher from eBay, and they'll give you 5% vouchers quite frequently. It's usually about 5% off if you check your cart. You've just got to keep an eye out for it, but keep an eye out for those 20% ones. So in doing that, I actually managed to pick up quite a lot of stuff. So you've seen I'm building out my city at the moment. I picked up a whole stack of baseboards. I think I got, you know, these big beasts that are usually in Australia $20. I got that one for $10. Very happy. Should have bought more. We'll buy more. And then we've got the baseboards, the green boards, the blue boards. I was a bit sad they didn't have any sand ones. So that was done through Myer's eBay store with an eBay voucher for 20% off that I got in an email. And the best part was I got to use it multiple times as well. It wasn't a single use voucher, as is sometimes the case. So what that meant was, pick that one up as well. Love that. So that was, again, worked out about 37% off, I think it was. Well, actually no, I think by the time it was actually more like 48% off. It was basically a $30 set for $16. Very happy, love this set. Really looking forward to building this. And then the last one I got from that particular deal was this one. Alright, it's not the original Ecto one, it's the new Ecto one, but I really like this set. I like everything about it. Every review I've read is good. And that one, again, ended up being, I think, 35% off after all of those vouchers and discounts. Timed it well. They don't have any of this stock anymore because it's a discontinued product. That made me very happy getting those two things. So that was just one thing. Just keep an eye out for those stores doing discounts, and keep an eye out for those eBay vouchers. They are useful. Use them. Use them, use them, use them. Just got to be patient, and I know that's hard to do it sometimes. So my tip on this one is keep an eye out for those vouchers, but if you can go one step further, go and have a look at some of those groups on Facebook that talk about buying Lego sets. And what I mean by that is I'm on quite a few groups in Australia which will tell me when Myer are having a sale, or when anyone's having a sale, when eBay has a good voucher. But the third thing they throw into that one is quite often other retailers will sell gift cards for those stores with a discount of, say, 5 to 10%. And again, I know that's with Myer at the moment through Woolworths over here in Australia, and I imagine in America it's probably a much bigger discount because it's America and you get big discounts. Wish we got that here. But that's my tip. So keep an eye out. If you can combine deals, do it, do it, do it. And join some groups on Facebook to find those deals. Those people will share them. And be quick, because everyone will want to go and get those deals. So the second thing I wanted to touch on in this video was discontinued sets. And by that I mean not like sort of stuff that is still in some stores but is technically discontinued. I mean the stuff you can't go into any store and buy anymore. And an example of that for me was I recently bought the Marvel Sanctum Sanctorum set, but if you don't know, there was actually another one before that, which was this one. So this was Doctor Strange's Sanctum Sanctorum, which is more of a sort of little play set slash display piece, which has these tentacles, it has that. But I've seen a few people do this and I absolutely love it. Where I said I wanted to turn my Sanctum Sanctorum into a proper mock, they've actually used this as part of that mock. It's a brilliant idea, so I went to look for it. No one had it. I was a bit disappointed there, so had a look around. Eventually I did find it on eBay again. Brand new, not through anyone in particular, but it's through a little dealer, and ended up being cheaper than when it was out originally, including postage. I couldn't grumble about that. So I'm going to give you a little tip on finding these sets, and that's to actually use Google, because their search engine's much better for finding eBay deals. What did I do? I look for that one, go into eBay, go into Google, do a search for your products. Now, I quite often do exclude eBay because I get a bit fed up with getting eBay things. But when I'm looking for older sets like that one, I will actually let that go into eBay. And you have to be a bit discerning because you quite often get 3 or 4 results from eBay. But what you'll notice is you can actually click into them in Google and drill down into more results. And once you get down there, you'll see there's like a few in there. There was a few that had like that, and you go and look at it and go, oh, it's actually just a figure, or it's just the tentacles, or something like that, and they're trying to sell that for $20. Rip off. But what actually you can find is like that one. I got that one for, I think it was probably about 15-20% cheaper than the RRP, including postage, thanks to Google. So you just got to go and have a look. Those deals are out there. It wasn't that long ago that set was out. I think it was probably discontinued, what, a year ago now? So it wasn't that old, so there was still some stock floating around. That was one of the last 2 he had, so I was well chuffed to find it. Looking forward to building that into the mock and building that set on its own. It looks like a really great little set, so that'll be good fun. Alright, I'm going to do one slight boast on the end here. Not meant to be a haul video, but I had an absolute cracker of a win. And this goes back to what I said as my tip at the beginning about joining Facebook groups. One of the tips that's come up on a few occasions was that some of the sort of more bulk buy chains here, like Target, Kmart, Big W, quite often clear out old stock that has basically gone off the books because it's old, so old that they haven't had it in stock for so long that the managers are selling it off just to get the store space back. And it's happened a couple of times. The Ghostbusters set was a really good example of that. You know, it's a $500 set here in Australia, and they were selling it for $200. Pretty good price. So I saw that come up the other day with a set I quite like the look of. I've been umming and ahhing about it, but it's no way I could have justified the price it was meant to be. It was meant to be a $350 set. But this massive set here on behind high, clearance price of $100. $100. So I have to salute my Facebook groups on that one for finding that one out. Now, it's blind luck I found one that had that still in stock and they will price match. So that was how I got it. So again, those groups, fabulous things. I'm not saying everyone join them because then I'll miss out on some deals, but I'm saying, you know, keep a lookout for some of your local ones because there are some really good groups out there and people want to help each other. They also help each other with asking questions about what sets are, what parts are missing, how do I do this, where can I find that, and various other tips. They're well worth joining because the LEGO community is so awesome. Watch my language, don't want to get picked up on that one, but it really is good and it excites me just talking to people about LEGO and their love of it. So anyway, this is me on this side of the camera. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you've got your own tips, if you've got suggestions, if you've got something you'd like me to do, I'm going to do more of these videos. Probably going to try and do one a month or so, just because I have to do a little bit of work around it. And I've got a ton of other plans for the channel, which I'm going to cover in another video. But if you've got ideas, put them in the comments. Go to my discussion channel on the, go to the discussion page on my channel. Write whatever you want down, and don't forget, hit subscribe if you haven't yet done that. I'm Greg. I'll see you soon.